Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to understand SAP modules. Let's get into it. First, learn the money management group. Look at the first branch of the system map, which covers the finance tools. Find the parts that take care of general bookkeeping, tracking assets, managing cash, and planning future budgets. Because keeping track of money is the most important task for any shop or big company. You have to understand this group so you can see how the system calculates profits at the end of the year. Without this step, you wouldn't know how the software helps a company count its wealth and pay its taxes. Next, explore the moving goods group. You need to look at the part of the software that manages real, physical items like materials, boxes, and deliveries. Move over to the next big branch on the map, which handles all the logistics tools. Check out the pieces that control buying items from sellers, storing goods in large rooms, making products, and selling things to customers. It shows you how products actually travel from a factory to a buyer's house. By exploring this moving goods group, you can see how the software tracks inventory so a store never runs out of stock. It ensures that the right items are always in the right place at the right time. Next, check the worker management group. Look at the branch labeled Human Capital Management or the People Team section. Find the tools that help managers hire new workers, keep track of working hours, handle monthly pay, and set up staff training, if you want to see how a company takes care of its team. By understanding the worker group, you see how the system keeps personal files safe and makes sure everyone gets paid correctly. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.